Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create work profile in Android phone. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. From here, scroll down until you find Google. Click on it. Then click the All Services tab and scroll down until you see Setup and Restore. Here, click Set up your work profile. Click Next. Then wait for it to finish downloading. Now once it's finished, you need to agree to this permission. So just click while using the app. And now you'll be able to scan the code provided by your IT admin using your camera. However, if you wish to type it manually, you can do that by clicking Enter Code Manually at the bottom left corner. So now just enter it, and after you're done entering it, click Next. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.